Hello, my name is Jenny Pasalacqua. I'm a second-year graduate student at Florida State University and an OSEP fellow studying reading disabilities and dyslexia. The poster I'm presenting to you today is Creating Infographics, Dissemination of Information to Increase Access. Infographics are a type of visual communication strategy that relies on the visual presentation of images and textual information to be viewed holistically and then analyzed in individual components. Infographics can combine information, data visualization, graphic design, and storytelling through powerful visual display. It allows many stakeholders to access information or findings without extensive prior knowledge or detailed descriptions. Infographics can serve as a facilitator of additional resources for a deeper exploration. There are a few main considerations when starting to build an infographic: your goal, the type of infographic, how you allow for viewers to get more detailed information, and how you can increase accessibility. There are four main types of infographics categorized by usability: statistically based, timeline based, process based, or location geography based. The type of infographic chosen is determined by the goal or information being presented. The format of your infographic will also give you an option to include hyperlinks for more information. Finally, you must consider accessibility of your infographics to diverse audiences. Ensure you include multiple stakeholder perspectives on accessibility in order to meet the needs of your audience. But a few tips would be to include a QR code with a link to plain text summary or for screen readers. Consider the readability level of your text and to use contrasting colors over gradient colors that may blend together. This poster highlights an infographic created through a research to practice partnership between the Florida Center for Reading Research and a State Department of Education. The goal of the infographic was to inform districts, schools, and practitioners in the state about a professional development option created by the Florida Center for Reading Research. Using the process on the screen, our team worked together to identify the core components of the program that would be helpful for practitioners in making their decision about whether to enroll. Based on the information to be presented and the goal of the infographic, we chose a process-based display. The infographic went through multiple rounds of revision with input from all stakeholders. We then addressed design elements such as contrast, alignment, repetition, and proximity to ensure a visually engaging display. Contrast is the difference in visual properties that makes an object or image distinguishable from others in the other objects and the background. It allows your content to come through clearly and not look too busy. Proper alignment places everything with a purpose and can show visual connections. Repetition repeats access of the design throughout the piece, creating coherence. If you look at our example on the screen, you see that we have the same repetition in our color blocks of information, and then we also have repetition in our images of all black and white outline pictures. Finally, proximity groups related items together and keeps spaces between unrelated items, which increases readability of the visual. Finally, we've included hyperlinks in the next step section for viewers to locate more in-depth information and updated information. I hope this poster was helpful and informative as you consider dissemination of your work. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.